Hi, Assalamu Alaikum. I'm Mansoor. Today I presented myself with the next video. Being a Muslim, we are unaware from Islam, from the information of the Quran and how to recite the Holy Quran. We are unaware from these kind of informations. We don't know how to recite. What are the exact methods of reciting the Holy Quran? You call yourself Muslim, but unfortunately, you can't recite the Holy Quran. What if, imagine, what if Allah asks you on the day of judgment, I sent my book, the Holy Quran. Ever did you try to recite it? Oh. Think that alone, it shakes the heart. Oh. But don't worry, it's a good news. Don't worry, it's not too late. In every age, we are suitable for getting knowledge. For getting knowledge, there is no specific age. Yes, this is the beauty of Islam. Childs, adults, olds, they all can get knowledge. This is the real beauty of Islam. So it's not too late. In my this video, I have explained the basic of Quran, how you will try to start the Holy Quran. I have explained in this video in simple words. It's too easy. Just you have to pure intention. Your pure intention can change your life. So if you want to learn Quran with tajweed, with the correct pronunciation, so I have explained in this video. Watch this video. I have given the link in the description. So thank you.